Hey guys, welcome back. It is time for March's giveaway winners to be announced. So they will receive these lovely packages. So there will be 3 winners today. So let's see who wins. Congratulations, I'm loving art still learning. Lacey Lowe and Handmade by Pooh. Um, you guys, please contact me within a week, okay? So I want you to email me your home address at charlenestudio21@gmail.com. I'll put it up here on the screen. And please do that within a week, okay? 1 week. Otherwise, I'm going to have to pick somebody else to receive these lovely goodies, okay? Also, whenever you guys make something with this, you could tag me. You could tag me at Charlene Studio 21, and that way I can see what you make with these lovely goodies. I would love to see that. Okay, so I will get these packed up and shipped off as soon as I receive your home address. So please, please, please make sure that you send that to me, okay, guys? I am so excited for you guys to receive these. And these will be listed in my Etsy shop and probably my Ko-fi page. I'm not sure yet, within a week. Okay, so these will be there within a week. So go and check them out and see if you like any of them. Okay, so thank you guys for subscribing and thank you guys for joining me in this happy mail. So I hope you guys have a blessed day.